Hi, hello, welcome to my new video. In this video, we are going to unbox Centy Toys Baleno. So before we start, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. So let's begin. Guys, here's the product, the diecast scale model of Maruti Suzuki Centy Toys Baleno. This is a 1:28 scale model made in India. This car comes with a very realistic body and door cuttings, rubber tires, alloys, headlights, grille, rear lights. I have specially modified this with the Suzuki logo registration plate, Suzuki logo and another registration plate, as well as the emblem in the steering and small painting. This car comes with two openable front doors and a well detailed and modified interior. Just look at the accelerator, brake, seats, dashboard, steering. This car is officially made by Centy Toys and comes with pullback action feature. So now let's test it on the road. Like, share and comment on my video. Now let's take this diecast Baleno for a mini test drive. Subscribe my channel for more new videos and click on the bell icon to receive notifications. Thanks for watching my video. Hope you enjoyed it. Till our next video. Bye.